I am definitely coming to AWIR 2025. I can tell you it will be at the Gaylord here in Orlando, Florida. For those of you who have never been to a Gaylord, it is quite an experience. There is what, for lack of a better term, is a biodome where it's nice and air conditioned, but you get the full Everglades experience. You get tropical birds chirping and real live alligators. Don't worry, you're safe. They have them well sequestered, but there's feedings. They're babies. I should mention that they're babies. But this is unlike any venue I have ever seen. This is a fascinating place. The meeting itself has more than doubled in size, and we have absolutely international level speakers. We had Ellen Graveles, we had Peter Merkel, we just had Leanne Gensler on the spondyloarthropathy. So these are people that you are going to be looking to see at ULAR, at ACR, and they're coming and giving you the content here. But now you have more opportunity to come and do the face-to-face with them and ask them your questions in person. We also have the opportunity for workshops where you're going to get the hands-on experience, whether it's ultrasound, nailfold, capillaroscopy. We're going to be offering a number of different hands-on experiences that you won't get in the virtual setting. Plus, we're very family friendly. You guys are all aware Disney's right in the backyard. You'll have time in the afternoon if you want to go travel, be with your family at the wave pool, the water slides, so you can do that experience. It's a family vacation while you get your CME. So please come join us. It'll be a lot of fun.